What muscle should you be really squeezing at the height too? I mean, pretty much everything. Your glutes, people, squeeze the glutes. Yes, and 6 and 7 and 8. Good, I'm getting a lot of this. 10 upper body. So yes, we have strength in our arms, but it's not like, oh, yeah.
You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know.
Oh, I wanted to do a little feet drill really quick. So can you guys stand up and just spread out and face the front? Okay, so I want to do, this is just like, I literally do this with my kindergarten and first graders, but I think it's really good for everyone to do. So we are going to do where you're going to be in first position. I am not going to be because I can't. But you're going to lift, heel, ball, lift, toe, ball, heel. Heel and lift, toe, ball, heel. And the whole point of this, we're going to be really working on articulating through our foot so that you're not going like just lift and point. I want you to really think about each part of your foot peeling off the ground and going back down. So we're going to do it, and I'm going to count it, but then I'm going to start speeding you up. So we'll start with heel, ball, lift, toe, ball, heel. Heel and lift, and then we'll start going faster. Heel and lift, toe, ball, heel, okay? Well, yep, we're just doing right leg first. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Heel and lift, toe, ball, heel. 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 Okay, so a lot of you, what starts happening is we start getting where we do heel and like we're just here. I want you to push to the highest forced arch you possibly can. Heel, heel and lift. Think about your posture. Toe, ball, heel. Heel and lift, 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 toe, ball, heel. Yes, because we 7, 8, go. Heel. And freeze for 1 second. I want you to think, well, you don't have to freeze in the air, but I want you to think about your posture. Like when you're standing here, is your booty out? Tuck, yeah, think about that technique of how you're standing, pressing your shoulders down, all that fun stuff. Heel and lift, toe, ball, heel. 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 Good. So that is an easy something you can do at home to work feet, right? Because that's training your muscles the second they leave the floor. Okay, ready? So first position, I want to see just 8 jumps in first position. I want you to think about not tensing your upper body, but keeping your shoulders pressed down, keeping your neck nice and lengthened. And I also want you to focus now on what we just worked on with our feet. So we're really thinking about rolling through that heel ball toe and landing toe ball heel, okay? And getting those heels all the way down as you land and have a quiet landing, okay? Ready? 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good, I'm getting a lot of this. Tense upper body. So yes, we have strength in our arms, but it's not like, oh, yeah, we don't want to be like, ugh. So think about, breathe as you do it. 8 more, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so a nice plie second. Yep, and then, but we're going to cross our right leg front, plie in second, cross it back, front, back. We're going to do 8 of those alternating like Racine is doing. Yes. What I want you to watch is not letting your hips do a shimmy move. Yes. Squeeze at your inner thighs, not your ankles. So you're doing ankles right now. Squeeze at your thighs. Want to get those legs all the way straight as you're up in the air. Okay. And get height as you're doing these. But I want to see a nice, like if we were to take a picture of you in the air, you should be like in a nice 5th position with pointed feet. Yes. So we cross our right leg front and then you land back in a nice deep second plie. Okay. This is where I like, it's one of those things like do 8 of these instead of doing like a minute of jumping jacks and you're going to get stronger and get just as tired. You know what I mean? So let's do 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Sit for 1 second. When you plie, I'm doing my legs parallel because I'm not supposed to turn my leg out. Okay. I keep doing it on accident. But when you hit your second, I'm getting a lot of this. Yes, keep your body. We want to sit It's really hard to do that with your legs parallel. With your back straight.
As long as you tuck your pelvis under, it's like impossible to do this.
Yeah, so you gotta tuck, close your ribs, feel that feeling, yes, of pulling this way. And think about not every time we don't wanna be like this, as you're doing your jumps, yes? Let's do 8 more. Let's really die here. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What muscle should you be really squeezing at the height too? I mean, pretty much everything. Your glutes, people, squeeze the glutes. Yes?